which is within the pharmaceutical space. That's the CDMO space, which is basically contract drug manufacturing. And that's basically for intermediates, drugs for big pharma companies, biotech, generic pharmas. That's what CDMO companies do. Now, which are these companies that I'm talking about? Divi's Labs, Gland Pharma, Laurus Labs, Piramal Pharma, all of these companies released numbers just in the past couple of weeks, last 2 weeks odd. A couple of key takeaways because all of them disappointed with numbers, and I'll come to that. Now remember that all of them have different models when it comes to CDMO, but there were a couple of common takeaways. For example, there is price pressure in one of their key markets, which is basically the US. There is delayed decision making by bigger pharma companies at this point in time. There is some delayed payments that a couple of these companies are facing at this point, and there is a loss of key opportunities. Now we're talking about Molnupiravir, which was a big opportunity for Divi's Labs, or Paxlovid. Both of these are COVID-19 drugs by Merck and Pfizer respectively. Paxlovid for Laurus Labs. So there has been a loss in opportunity as well. And there is an overall increase in raw material as well as input costs. Numbers have been impacted. Divi's Labs, it came in at a margin at a historical low. Gland Pharma, core markets, which is 70% of their business, was down 11%. Laurus Labs, the CDMO business was fine this quarter, but the street is anticipating it'll probably see a tough FY24 because of a high base of FY23. Piramal Pharma, the big disappointment, margins at 5.1%, loss at around 90 odd crores. Stocks have corrected from their 52-week highs. Divi's is down 39%, Gland is down over 60%, Laurus is down around 45%, Piramal Pharma is down over 50%. And valuations, as you can see on the screen soon enough, is that they've also halved quite significantly for all of these CDMO companies. Is there any optimism? Yes, maybe. Challenges are probably likely to persist for the next 6 odd months, but there is structural demand in place at this point in time. If they get past that, there are also individual issues that companies have to solve. For example, Piramal Pharma has issues with regards to net debt, which is at over 4,000 odd crores. And Gland Pharma, there's always speculation with regards to the promoter and what their plans would be on the long term. So these are a couple of larger issues to watch out within the entire CDMO space in pharmaceuticals.
Okay, Ekta, thanks a lot for that. Well, let's slip into a quick break. On the other side of the break, we have a guest.